Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1969 Corvette Stingray. We'll go through the engine and the interior in a second. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, on Saturdays, 10 to 2. You can visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Give us a call at 941-355-1955 if you are interested in this 69 and or any of the other 100 vehicles we have in inventory. Several C2s, a McLaren, Falcon, 71 heavy Chevy, just to name a few. On the other side, we do have some Vipers and Mercedes available. You can see a 69 Super Sport back there, Camaro 396, 67 Malibu with a LS and a turbo. But again, I wanted to focus on this 69 Stingray and kind of walk you through the paint. We will lift this up so you can see the underside of it, but wanted to start with one of the main features of the vehicle is this engine. It's been freshly built, 400 bored 40 over, aluminum Edelbrock heads, ported and polished with competition cam rockers, new ceramic side pipe headers. Again, can go on and on. As you see, power brakes. But again, view our website for more particulars on this vehicle. But again, wanted to start out with the engine, as this is the main theme of this vehicle. It is a 69 blue. The chrome is in very good shape. It has the Cooper white lettered raised tires, rally wheels. They did put side pipes on this particular vehicle. The paint is in good condition. I'll show you a couple items on it as we walk around that are the reason why I say good. And it's mostly up front here on the headlight buckets. There are a couple small chips on the headlight bucket right there. And then on this side, just a small little crack right there, as you can see. Overall, the paint is in good shape. Besides that, you do see a little bonding strip, as you do see on a lot of the C3s. But the chrome's in good shape. Underneath is in very good shape. Interior is blue as well. This is a automatic. They do have a Sniper fuel injection on the vehicle as well, which is a very good add and option to have. As you look at the carpets and you see it online, the carpets are dirty. This here is on consignment. The owner does have a carpet kit that will come with the vehicle. So if you purchase the vehicle, you will get the carpet kit with it. Not installed, but they will provide the carpet kit. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it. Fuel injection spool up here. The idiot lights you see is seat belts, door ajar. nicely built by a very skilled builder. No knocks, no dings, no ticking. It also does have a deep sump. You hear those side pipes? It really adds to the vehicle. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Should be warmed up now. We'll rev it up a little bit for you. It sounds fantastic. The tack does work. We'll show you the lights here. The lights just come up. You see both light buckets are up, lights are on. They just put new vacuum lines. And again, they do work. And shut them off here. The buckets will go right down. Again, a very nice driver quality 69 Stingray. We'll go ahead and shut it off here and put it in the air for a second. Bear with me as I raise it up here. But if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Visit our website for additional pictures. We have 50 to 75 pictures of the vehicle. You'll see pictures of the interior, obviously the engine bay, all around it, and obviously the underneath as well. We're going to go underneath it in a second here. If you have shipping needs, we are able to ship this vehicle for you. Kayla, who works in our office here, has been shipping cars for over 9.5 years, door to door. Can ship it worldwide. We've shipped cars to Australia, Netherlands, Budapest, Hungary, Asia this year, and about 17 or 18 different U.S. states, and 3 up to Canada. So certainly can ship this for you if you have any shipping needs. If you have financing needs, we do not finance in-house, but we do have finance partners that we can get you financed on this 1969 Stingray. Take a quick look around it so you can see the side pipes at kind of eye level here. Nice rally wheels. As I mentioned, the Cooper raised letter. Chrome is in good shape. We'll go underneath it as we wrap around this side here. Again, it's a little bit dark on this side, but you can see the paint does shine. And our pictures online will do it more justice. So as you can see, it does have four-wheel disc brakes. As I mentioned, the larger sump. 400 automatic trans. Floor pans in very good condition. Frame is in good shape. As I mentioned, the side pipes were an add-on to this vehicle. Again, in very good condition underneath. Bushings in good shape. You can see shocks have been replaced. Fuel pumps for the fuel injection. Just a well done little modification to the engine, and the side pipes on this 69 make it a very desirable car for somebody looking for a driver with a little pep and sound to it. This would be your vehicle. Again, if you're interested in this, visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, or if you're interested in any of the other 100 vehicles we have in inventory, please give us a call. We have several C2s in inventory and a few other C3s, McLaren, a heavy Chevy, you see over there some C7, another side some Vipers. But again, check our website out, Classic Cars of Sarasota. You'll see the 100 cars that we have in inventory. And if you're interested, again, as I mentioned, for this 1969, give us a call, 941-355-1955. Thank you.